Marketing Associates is a technology-enabled marketing company. We do marketing IT work for our customers. Our customers happen to be great customers like Ford Motor Company, DuPont, Starwood Hotels, GM OnStar, Goodyear Tire. A lot of the services that we provide our customers, we do websites, we do landing pages for marketing programs, lead generation where we'll cultivate your customers, get their email addresses, and then we'll hit them with consistent messages month after month based on what our customer needs. We also have application management support, and what that means is we have a core group of experts, and it keeps them from having to hire these experts in-house. We're able to have these experts here on site and then leverage the management of these applications, which reduces the cost for our customers. The rest of the country's probably been in a recession for the last 2.5 years. Here in Michigan, it seems like it's lasted for the last 5 or 6 years, quite honestly. A lot of our local clients, that we work with, budgets are tight, and it's hard to justify some of the marketing programs and programs that we used to do. So we've gone out and developed analytics to show our customers the return on their investment. We make sure we buy the best equipment, best in breed technology solution, and of course we use Logicalis and HP as primary vendors to do that. We've had customers that come to me and ask for websites to be hosted the same day or the next day. I've had to go to Logicalis 3 times in the past year to ask for servers the next day, and each time they've come back and provided, got me the hardware that I've needed, saved our customer, saved me, made Marketing Associates look really smart. Granted, it's not Logicalis' core competency to provide servers the next day, and they'd probably not like me to speak about it, but they've saved my bacon more than once, and I just wanted to mention it.
Hello, Logicalis. This is Marlon. How can I help?
Marlon, hey, it's Andy. Marlon, I hate to do this to you again. A situation came up. A local hosting company supporting one of our best clients is going out of business, and they need our help. We need to begin hosting our applications at Marketing Associates on Wednesday.
We'll do everything we can. Do you have the specs for the server and storage requirements?
My guys are working on them right now. I think I can have them over to you in about 10 or 15 minutes.
Great. I'll give our ISS team a heads up and have them start checking what's in stock. We'll match that up to the specs you send, and I should be able to get a quote back to you yet this evening.
Thanks, Marlon. I know I can count on you and Logicalis. We'll plan on having our PO to you later today. And please, 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 I need to have everything here by Wednesday.
No problem, Andy. Sounds like a plan. I'll talk to you later.
Thanks, Marlon.
Our client base is made up of Fortune 500 companies, and for our 2 largest clients are actually Fortune 10 companies. So these are folks like Ford Motor Company and DuPont who demand the best marketing services in the world. And from our perspective, as a technology-enabled marketing services company, we believe that technology services and marketing services work together. So what we decided to do is build an 1,800 square foot world-class data center to support our clients. So in November of 2007, we moved our 500 square foot data center and all the assets that were sitting inside that data center to our new 1,800 square foot data center. The folks at Logicalis were with us from the start to the finish of that project. We moved over 100 servers, we moved over 200 workstations. So not only did they help us secure the facility in Bloomfield Hills, box up the assets, load them up in vans, drive them down to Detroit, unload them, install them, configure them, and perform the QA to make sure that they were working. They did all of that for us, and really worked out to be a fantastic partnering arrangement for us, in that we were able to get it done in about a 48-hour time period, flawlessly, without any interruption to our clients.
we evaluated a few companies like Logicalis, and we saw that they had the most breadth as far as service offerings and the right partners. I mean, they partner with HP, Data Domain, EMC, IBM, Oracle. I mean, I can name any major technology provider, and Logicalis has a relationship with them. And you know, Marketing Associates, we're not a big company, but through Logicalis, they help provide the leverage with those other vendors so that we're important to those bigger companies through Logicalis. They make sure that not only do we get the best solution, but if we have a problem, they'll make sure that they get the right answer for us when we do have a problem. Logicalis, Marlon, our account manager, he's like one of my staff. For example, we might be upgrading our network, but Oracle or EMC is trying to call me. I honestly tell them to work through Marlon. I don't have time for them right now. Marlon will make sure that they come to me as a value add when I'm ready for them. Not to mention that, you know, I can work with Logicalis on the best technical solution. You know, they have great services. They have managed services that we use for key areas. For example, they manage our Exchange server. They manage some of our firewalls. Recently, we had implementation of Interwoven Autonomy's team site application. And it's a hard skill to come by. We reached out to Logicalis, and they were able to provide us with a resource within 2 days that helped us out on the project immensely, and the project is now launched in production and has been a success. But also we've used them when we architected our core network. We brought in Logicalis Cisco experts, and they helped us design not only our network here, how we were going to engineer it down in our disaster recovery site, and also our the locations that Marketing Associates has around the country. We've also used Logicalis for Oracle services, and we've also used Logicalis for VMware expertise. In fact, we started knowing nothing about VMware. We had Logicalis resources come in, train my staff and me, and now, a year later, we're proficient experts on VMware, and we use it in production all the time. VMware, you know, obviously as a solution, saves our customers money by leveraging hardware, and we're, you know, just a great success story for us. We were able to lower our customers' costs by leveraging VMware, and through Logicalis' help, you know, it worked out great. Hey Marlon, we got those servers in place and tested well before we had to go live. The Logicalis team loves to make Marketing Associates look good. Thanks.
Anytime, Andy. That's what we're here for.